Hello everyone! Got a craving for pasta and that the street style kick? Let's make the bold, spicy, cheesy, and all packed into one epic masala pasta sandwich. So we start by boiling our pasta into a pan of hot water, a sprinkle of salt, and then in goes the pasta. Cook it to about 80% done and don't overcook it. Once it's done, drain it, give it a quick rinse with cold water to stop the cooking. Now comes the magic. In another pan, we add a little oil and butter. Then in goes finely chopped ginger and garlic, and just as they sizzle, a chopped of green chilli for that extra kick and the onion. Stir them until they are soft and translucent. Then add colorful veggies, shredded cabbage, chopped carrot, and bell pepper. On the top, sprinkle of salt and pepper and cook down until they are just tender enough to still have a bit of crunch. And hey, if you are enjoying this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to keep sharing more delicious recipes with you. Here where the flavor really comes alive, we add some tomato puree. Let it simmer and cook down a bit, deepening the color and thickening the sauce. Then we reach for our flavor boosters: a spicy schezwan sauce, soy sauce, some oregano and chili flakes. Just when it's all perfectly combined, if you feel the gravy is too thick, you can adjust the consistency by adding 2 tablespoons of water. Just when it's all perfectly combined, add a tablespoon of mayo. Stir in through to make the sauce extra creamy. Finally, gently fold in the pasta until it's coated in that rich, bold masala. You could eat as it is, it's that good, but we are taking it one step further. Now for the sandwich twist, let's mix 2 tablespoons of mayo with a tablespoon of schezwan chutney to make a zesty spread. Mix it well. This spread will be our spicy spread, which is versatile enough for burgers, wraps, or sandwiches. Take 1 slice of bread, get a layer of spread. Then spread masala pasta. All topped with grated cheese. Take the another sliced bread, spread some more of that spicy mayo mixture, and it goes on top. Onto a hot pan or griddle with a little butter. We grill it until the bread is crispy and golden on both sides and the cheese is melting inside. Finally, you take that first bite. It's crispy, creamy, spicy, and cheesy. It's everything you love in one bite. It's ultimate fusion of pasta and sandwich, and it's perfect for whenever you are craving something extra. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.